Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So this is going to be a very quick video. Banggood sent me this coupon list, or it's a sale slash coupon list, which will be available exactly when this video has been released. They told me to release it at 9 a.m. my time, and this is when all of this will be active. Now, when I release this video, the coupon, the Excel sheet will have some coupons in it as well, and this will definitely work. And if something is not on sale, there's another coupon that's a special. I've had to make special for you guys, and you guys could use it. 7% off anything RC related that's not on sale. But anyways, this has some really great stuff here. We have some goggles. If we scroll down, we also have the rapid fire here. I don't know why I highlighted it like this. 25 bucks off. There's some other great stuff also if we scroll down. So basically, I've highlighted a lot of good things in green that I know are good. So as you can tell, this might be a bit of a shocker to you. Look at this. Hakcrc, I've highlighted nothing. I'm getting sick of Hakcrc. So now Radio Master, I've used one of them, not much, but everybody's speaking so highly of, so I recommended that because they also do have multi-protocol modules built in. This one comes with a TBS Crossfire somehow, which is actually, let's check that one out. Maybe I get this for myself. Wow. Now that's a deal. 2 pieces left as of right now. Anyways, so that's going to be on sale for 10 bucks off, basically current price right now. So yeah, I'd probably get this as well. Definitely, actually, I think that's a good price. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Down here we have some jumper stuff. I guess jumper's okay. I haven't really used their stuff that much. Actually, I didn't use their top of the model ones, but I guess it's still a little bit better than Hakcrc due to the compatibility issues, and they should definitely do something to fix that because it's getting really annoying. Rush FPV stuff, which are some of the best video transmitters out there, along with I think Emergent RC, and some Eoshin ones are pretty good as well. Rush FPV is really solid video transmitters if you didn't know which one you wanted to get. And we also have some battery chargers, so if you needed a battery charger, you grab one here. Some camera drones, and yeah, some iFlight stuff. There's a lot of great deals, so just click the link, check it out, and see what product. They told me you have to click on the link before pressing or using the coupon. I don't know if that's true, but you could do that just in case, and hopefully that'll go through for you. And let me know your experience with this, and I really hope you guys save $1 or $2 if you guys wanted to get something, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.